just landed. It's 6 o'clock, 6:15 in the evening. We left yesterday at 3.
Yeah, 3 something.
3 something.
4, yeah.
3 o'clock, 4 o'clock, something like that, Mexico. And here we are. We got it.
It was actually easier than I thought it would be getting here. I was thinking it was going to be more like when we go to Africa, but it's not as far, so it wasn't that bad.
So we flew from Mexico City, or from Leon, Guanajuato, to Houston, 2-hour flight. Then had a little layover there, 2 hours. Then Houston to Frankfurt, Germany. That was 9.5 hours or so. And then had a 4-hour layover. And then we went to, then we had an hour and 25-minute flight from Frankfurt to here. So pretty easy, not too bad. Looks pretty cool, all the clay tile roofs coming in, all the orange clay roof.
And it's very green here right now.
July 1st today.
Okay, so we're collecting our luggage, and there's like nobody here.
Well, kind of last one's off the plane.
No, but not only that, like it was so easy to like customs and everything.
Yeah, here in Zagreb, it's a small airplane,
wow.
small airport, good sized airplane, small airport.
Very small.
And here we go. Let's see what this country has to offer.
This is the baggage claim area, and there's nobody here.
They have 3
And there were-
carousels for the baggage claim.
Yeah, it's perfect airport to fly into because it was so easy. And then customs was like really friendly. Few questions, stamp, move on. Excited. You guys excited? We're here. Yay! All right, here begins the journey. We're about to leave the airport and Zagreb.
So here we are renting the car here in Croatia. And what's your name?
It's Dorian.
Huh?
Dorian.
Goria.
Dorian, like Dorian the Great.
Dorian. Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Dorian the Great. So I have some new words here. Like the name of the money is the kuna. Hello is dobar dan. Dobar dan.
Dobar dan, yes.
Dobar dan. And yeah, getting it all going here. All right. Not seeing anything wrong with the car. Got ourselves a little VW. There we go. It's looking pretty good. A little dirty. But hey, just finished raining. Got ourselves a minivan. It's not a Line Cruiser or anything, but it'll work. Let's see. Drive on the same side here. See what we got.
We are at the Museum of Illusions.
Museum of Illusions
It's supposed to be really cool.
here in Zagreb. Hey you guys, this is Zlatko, and we're here with the family, and he's Croatian, teaches Croatian history at the Jesuit University here, right?
Yes.
And he also a soccer ref and many other things. Okay, so Zlatko, he's going to explain to us the accent and how difficult it is here in Croatia. So what's that word, gore?
For
Gore?
example, gore,
Gore, gore, gore, gore, gore, gore. You must be mad, and I am probably right. What means 4 years, 4 words with gore, 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 gore. But this means upstairs, mountains, fire, more.
So here's the old wall that divided the old town and the new town, which was like 1800 or like 1200, 1300. The wall of stolen bicycles. So now we're driving to Pula, from Zagreb, Pula, and then Rabin is supposed to be real pretty. And we're gonna go through a tunnel. Everyone hold your breath.